Hello everybody and welcome. Today just a quick one. This will be listed in my Etsy shop very soon. What is it, you say? Well, it's the Infinity Journal. Looks like that on the side. But this is the one that I'm using at the moment and I've started to decorate. So this will just give you a bit of an idea about what it is. This is the front cover, or it could be the back cover, as you'll see when we go on. So I've decorated that already, and I've decorated the first page. And so we've got another page there, then a wide spine, another double spread here, narrow spine, another double spread here, wide spine, and then we're on to the back, which could be the front because it's the same. Double spread, double spread, double spread, front. It just goes on forever. That's why it's called Infinity, because every time you get to the back, you're at the front again. It's marvellous. I love it. And it is just a little bit complicated when I give you the measurements of putting it together. So I thought I'd offer you the option of actually, I've put one together here. It's ready to go. Front page, double spread, double spread, double spread. And then we're back to the back of the front. And so it goes round again. It's ingenious, I tell you. It's got two wide spines on it, 2 1/2-inch wide spines, one here and one here, 2 1/4-inch spines there and 2 1/4-inch spines there. The 1/2-inch spines there and there will eventually have a journal in them, you know, a folded paper journal. So that will go in there and there, as you can see. But that comes down the line. We need to decorate it first. So if you're interested, pop over to my Etsy shop, misspaintalot, and you'll see it there. I do ship throughout the world. So that's all for now. Bye.